Hey everybody, greetings from Tanis Aircraft Products Manufacturing Site here in Glenwood, Minnesota, or at least the hangar that's attached to that facility. My name is Doug Evink. I'm the owner of Tanis Aircraft. First of all, a big shout out to the Alaska Airmen's Association 2020 raffle plane build that is being completed by Above Alaska Aviation. And thanks for all the videos that show all of the products and progress that are being made on that build. Tanis has been supporting the Airmen's Association for the last 10 years with a multi-point preheat system. And this year we're really excited because we're also adding our avionics cabin heater that'll be permanently mounted inside of the aircraft in the cockpit, that'll be interconnected to the preheat system. So it'll warm up all the avionics and the things inside the cockpit, the engine, all coming to one shore power plug location that'll be in the boot cowl of that aircraft. A little bit about Tanis Aircraft. Pete Tanis developed and patented the very first multi-point preheat system back in the early 70s. And since then, Tanis has progressed that product line to include radial engines, turbine engines, fan jet engines, APUs, helicopters, fixed wing, commercial airplane, many products outside of the aviation industry that we've developed heating systems for. So how does a Tanis preheat system really work? Basically, we have two different types of elements, a threaded element and a pad element. Our threaded element, the bolt body basically starts out as a stainless steel piece of stock that is CNC'd into the shape and size of the fastener we're replacing, such as the 1/4x20 fasteners in any one of the rocker cover locations or intake tube locations of a 4 and 6 cylinder aircraft engine. Our pad elements start out as great big sheets of silicone that has resistance wire wound inside of those two sheets, and we vulcanize that through our vulcanizing process. And that can be made into any shape, any size, any voltage, any wattage type of element that we want. And that's used predominantly for gluing on to the oil sump or the top of the case, places where threaded elements will not work or is not viable. On our threaded elements, we pot them with a cartridge element of the wattage that we desire to get the temperature rise that we want in the component that's related to. Our threaded elements are, of course, heating from the inside out, so they're very efficient. And we get on a 4 and 6 cylinder aircraft engine, air-cooled, we get the cylinders 50 to 60 degrees above ambient and the oil 40 to 50 degrees above ambient. All of these threaded elements are interconnected via our wiring harnesses that we make here. And it's a parallel circuit, so each one can plug in to the wiring harness and it comes to one shore power plug location with a fusing arrangement. Again, how warm does that system get your engine? 50 to 60 degrees above ambient, 40 to 50 degrees above ambient. If you need more than that, then an insulated engine cover wrapped around your cowl will get you another 40 to 60 degrees, but of course it'll take a longer period of time. In an unheated hangar, we've done multiple tests with data loggers. We can get that 50 to 60 degree temperature rise within the first hour and a half to 2.5 hours because of the efficiency of our system. Our 4-cylinder system only draws 240 watts, our 6-cylinder system 460 watts. So it's very efficient, but yet it gets that system warmed up in a very short period of time. The critical thing that we do is we make sure we get everything above the oil line warmer than the oil. So any moisture, any water that's intertwined with your oil, when it evaporates, it has no place to condense because everything is warmer than the dew point. That's a physics constant. If my rocker cover or my valve is warmer than the dew point, that moisture cannot condense on that product. And that's what makes Tanis Aircraft Products' complete multi-point preheat system so unique. And what also allows us to leave it plugged in all the time without any concern because we're keeping everything warmer than the oil. If you want to gather some more information about our product, we have multiple tests that we have done. We have all of our data on our website. Just go to www.tanisaircraft.com. Click on Why Tanis and you'll see some of the data log and some of the infrared videos that we have taken. We do these tests to prove that our design is providing us the data and the results that we want. And of course, we'd love to hear from you. Give us a call. 952-224-4425 is our telephone number, or email us at info@tanisaircraft.com. Any comment, any question, again, we'd love to hear from you. Hurry up and buy your tickets. I'm sure they'll be sold out before the Great Alaskan Aviation Gathering in the first weekend in May. And until then, we'll see you that first weekend in May.